When the weather turns hot, it can be hard to find an escape. Where do we turn to stay reliably cool? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the NewAir AC10100E Deluxe Air Conditioner, one of the most portable and easy-to-use air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 12-hour programmable timer and recycles its collected moisture for continuous operation. The ozone-friendly R410A refrigerant contains no chlorine, so it even reduces the carbon footprint. As a 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner, it comfortably cools a space up to 325 square feet and can be plugged into any 115-volt outlet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The AC10100E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 50.6 pints of moisture from the air per day. It has convenient and time-saving features such as street fan speeds, 2 dust filters, a fully functioning remote control, easy-to-operate push-button controls, and caster wheels for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window, and the 1-year warranty is backed by NewAir, a company you can trust. The AC10100E is one of the best-reviewed portable air conditioners online. People love that this 3-in-1 unit offers you everything you need, operating as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and cooling fan. It comes equipped with a state-of-the-art evaporative condensate function, reducing moisture buildup, and a direct drain feature, which means you can wave goodbye to emptying out buckets or tanks. When you need to stay cool, the AC10100E is the perfect solution. Don't let a hot, dry environment keep you from enjoying life. Get the most out of it and remain cool and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir.